Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of advanced magnet manufacturing, specifically the burgeoning efforts in the United States to compete with China's dominance in this critical sector. It's a story of innovation, national security, and some serious economic headwinds.
Right. I'm particularly interested in how the U.S. is trying to break China's near monopoly on neodymium magnets. It seems like a monumental task, given their scale.
Absolutely. The article highlights MP Materials' recent announcement of their new Texas facility, Independence, which is starting trial production of NdFeB magnets. Initially, they're aiming for 1,000 tons per year, with plans to scale up to 3,000. That's a significant step, but
it's a drop in the bucket compared to China's output, right? I mean, they produce somewhere between 220,000 and 240,000 tons annually, with estimates of their market share as high as 90%.
Precisely. China's sheer scale is staggering. They have around 300 manufacturers, with the largest, JLMA, producing at least 25,000 tons last year and planning to expand even further. It's not just about the magnets themselves, though. China also controls a massive 97% of the rare earth metal production, giving them a stranglehold on the entire supply chain.
So even if the U.S. ramps up production, they're still reliant on China for raw materials, at least for now. That's a huge vulnerability.
That's the crux of the issue. MP Materials, however, is trying to change that with their mine-to-manufacturing strategy. They control the entire process, from mining the ore to producing the finished magnets. This gives them better market insights and potentially more control over the supply chain.
That's a smart move. Vertical integration can offer significant advantages in terms of efficiency and market responsiveness. But even with that, they're facing an uphill battle. The article mentions significant subsidies and cost advantages for Chinese manufacturers.
Exactly. John Ormerod, an industry consultant, points out the substantial soft and hard subsidies in the Chinese supply chain, making it incredibly difficult for U.S. manufacturers to compete on price. And China's not slowing down. They're continuing to build new plants, even with excess capacity.
So it sounds like the U.S. is betting on a combination of national security needs and the Department of Defense's requirement for domestically sourced magnets to create a price floor and support domestic production. A bit of a gamble, wouldn't you say?
A huge gamble. The DoD's willingness to pay a premium is crucial, but it remains to be seen if that will be enough to offset the cost advantages of Chinese manufacturers. The automotive industry, for example, is notoriously cost-conscious. And even tariffs haven't been enough to completely level the playing field there. There are workarounds, like exporting to Malaysia or Mexico and then re-exporting to the U.S., which undermines the effectiveness of tariffs.
It's a complex geopolitical and economic chess game, with significant implications for various industries. The next few years will be critical in determining the success of these U.S. initiatives.
Absolutely. It's a fascinating development to watch unfold. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story and bringing you updates as they emerge. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.